guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be decorating for Christmas. I'm excited for Christmas. I love Christmas, but I mean I love Halloween more, so I'm gonna have to say Christmas is like my second favorite. If you guys want to watch me decorate for Christmas, then just keep on watching. So I got all of my Christmas decorations all gathered up. I got all of my Nightmare Before Christmas little ornaments that I'm going to put on my tree. I got some icicles, some snowflakes, these balls from my Halloween tree, but I don't know if I'm going to put them up. We'll see. I got some glittery balls, some red ones. I got this cute little mouse. It jingles. He's so cute. I got my gnome. I love gnomes. I know a lot of people hate gnomes, but I love them. I got some fake candy canes. I got some bells. I got these really pretty flowers. Got my Christmas tree star. I got my elf. This is Freebie. Everybody meet Freebie. I got my bow light. Some of these star decorations. I got my unicorn ornaments. I got my gaming controller ornaments. More gnome ornaments because I love my gnomes. I got a white one too. A Santa hat ornament. Santa's gloves. A star. A stocking. I got some of these trees. Red and silver ones. I got some of these cute signs. Reindeer. A Santa. And a snowman. These are new. And then I got my lights that I got at the thrift store. The candy cane one. And the tree one. Which I already have them hung up here. I think that's where I'm going to put them. So I got them there. I'll plug them in after and show you guys. Got some stockings. So I got pretty much everything that I'm going to need. And I also put up my Christmas lights too, because this can be a pain in the ass to do, so I do it off camera. So I did red and white. I love that, because a lot of my decorations are silver and red. Hi! You guys like my Pennywise shirt? You guys, oh my god. Got me. You got me this. It's so random, but it's really cute. Isn't it so cute? Little Christmas reindeer, and you just put a candle in there. This Merry Christmas sign. It's really sparkly. You can see my face. I got this sign, so I'm gonna go and put that up. You guys can come on. Come here. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. I think I'm gonna put the sign here. There, I decorated. Merry Christmas! These trees, silver and red. Perfect. Already looking like Christmas. Got this candy cane. It's already breaking, but it's from the Dollar Tree, so. Oh, shit. I think I just broke it. Should I put the candy cane there? My mom actually gave me these. I used them last year, too. So I'm going to put... It's like this. Oh, one of the balls is broken. Well, perfect. I have these little trees. They actually were on. Change different colors. See? How cool. I put my gnome. So I might put my gnome down here. Oh, I'll put the trees with him, so he's not alone. He has trees to hang out with him. And then I have have this. This one's so cute. I'm gonna put a candle in there. I think I'm gonna put it up here because I think that would look cool here. With the Merry Christmas in the back. It's lights from the dollar store. So I just put them have this bow light, which I used last year too. It plugs in, lights up. Oh! There we go. And then I have an extension cord that I can plug it into. So that's the cute little bow. Got some stockings to put up, so let's put the stockings up. These ones over here, like on the side of this wall. I think that's a good idea. But the stockings, I think they look really good right here. I put one there, and then I put the other one right there. I also have these signs, like I said. I have no idea where I'm going to put these. This is so cute. It says ho ho ho, reindeer, and it says joy is this snow. It just says snow. The stick pin. Where did you go? Did you guys steal my stick pins? Oh, there they are. There we go. Perfect. I think it looks good there. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the snowman where my nightstand is right here. I think it will look good right here. Ow, broke myself. Perfect. Okay. Actually put on the Santa hat because I'm not very Christmassy right now. Okay, now all we have to do is decorate my tree. And then I'm done. Seems very Christmassy in here all of a sudden. Oh, I need a drink. I'm out of breath. I'm parched. Okay, first up I have my gaming controllers. I'm a gamer and I like to play video games. So there's one. They look really pretty on this tree. There's another one. So I got my gaming controllers up. Okay, next up is some fake candy canes. I use fake ones because I always eat them off the tree. Santa stocking, the star, the Santa hat, and the Santa gloves. Next up are the unicorns. So here's the unicorns. These cute little snowmans. Flakes. I got just some white glittery ones, and then I have some of these gold ones with white in the middle. These little Christmas bells. I have these really pretty flowers. Little icicles. Next, I have my Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments. I have Sally, Oogie Boogie, a couple jacks. I have this Christmas jack, just a normal jack, and then a headless jack.